Hello there and welcome to a new video, and in this one I want to answer basically the following question: is Redot the same thing as Godot? Because well, I've been following closely the progress of Redot and Godot for the past few weeks about the drama and everything. And well, of course I have received like a lot of comments similar to this one. Okay, this looks like Godot but with red paint. And well, I also found this other comment that was posted just one day ago. It is just Redot with different colors. Basically, it is quoting what other people have been saying. And basically, here he says, yes, I'm not run by that censors you. Of course, these two comments are quite antagonistic because this one says, okay, it is the exact same thing. And this one says, yes, it is. They are the exact same thing, but their management behind is quite different. So well, I want to dig deeper into this. So first of all, is Redot just a Godot in red? I would divide this answer in two parts. First of all, in terms of features, until right now, yes, it is a Godot but in red. Because even though it does have some like tiny bug fixes, it even has a new feature of a horizon color that probably you have seen, but well, we are going to be seeing it in just 1 second. As you can see here, we have the differences in the UI. Basically in the colors itself, and in the 3D environment we now have this horizon color that well doesn't exist in Godot. We only have sky and ground color in Godot, but well then we also have like a lot of bug fixes, but they weren't like super general bug fixes, also small additions, but well they weren't so revolutionary, and that's why people are saying that it is basically Godot but in red. So well, I would agree with this in terms of that both softwares until right now are the exact same ones or quite similar, at least in 99% of cases. In terms of software functionalities, you can create mostly the exact same things in both Godot and Redot and you will have mostly no difference. Actually, if you create your game in Godot or Redot, I believe that once again in 99% of cases until right now people won't notice if the project was originally made in Redot or in Godot. Now, the other part of this, that is the part that other people was mentioning, is basically that yes, it is Godot in red, but the management is quite different. What is quite interesting is the fact that they were able to actually get like a lot of members into their Discord server, lots of followers, well, in their past Twitter account, because I think that this account currently doesn't exist. Well, it is their new account, but well, they used to have like an older account with over 20k followers, which was really amazing for such a new project. So indeed, the main difference in this case between Godot and Redot is the management behind, but the software itself, at least until right now, is mostly the exact same thing. And to actually dig deeper into this, in their Godot, in their Discord server, I'm sorry, in their server guide, they have a frequently asked question or FAQ, and if you click over here, you will be able to read actually more information about Redot in general. So for example here, why was Redot made? Redot was created to address specific needs that some developers felt were not fully met by Godot with how they handled the engine and the game dev community. So basically it is said that there were some bug fixes that weren't being fixed for a lot of months, even years, and also another tiny new features that weren't being added to the engine. So the mission of Redot is to actually maybe pay more attention to the community, release the things that they want, fix the things that the community wants, etc. And for example here, more about the parity of both. As I told you, you can actually transfer completely a Godot project to Redot and it will work in the exact same way, and I believe that the other way about it can also be made. So this again is quite for the idea that Godot in terms of functionality is the exact same thing as Godot. Godot is the exact same thing as Redot in terms of functionality. And well, about this parity between the two, basically, for the time being, they do want to keep parity as much as possible so that any Godot project can be used inside of Redot and the other way about. But well, of course, in the future, let's say in 1 year time, maybe when Redot starts adding things that Godot doesn't add or the other way about, maybe this parity, this compatibility between the two applications is not there anymore. So of course, this can change in the long or short term. So that was all. What do you think about this? I would really love to read your opinion in the comments down below. See you in the next one, and bye bye.